Welcome to Jetto Vacations. Today, we're taking you to the captivating city of Dubai, a place where luxury, innovation, and tradition come together in the most dazzling way. From futuristic skyscrapers to endless desert landscapes, Dubai is the ultimate travel destination. Let's dive into everything you need to know about this unforgettable city. A place where dreams come to life. Known for its larger-than-life attractions, Dubai is a city that defines modern luxury. Whether you are looking for high-end shopping, world-class dining, or simply relaxing by the beach, Dubai has something to offer for every traveler. If you love tall skyscrapers, adventurous activities, or shopping in some of the world's most iconic malls, then Dubai is your paradise. From astounding gardens in the deserts, riding fastest roller coasters or swimming with manta rays, Dubai offers a variety and luxury unparalleled anywhere else in the world. It is a city of contrasts, ultra-modern yet deeply rooted in its rich culture. You can discover the historical Dubai at the Al Fahidi district, or wander through the bustling souks for a taste of the city's vibrant market life. And hey, do you want to feel the ultimate adrenaline rush? Visit Dubai, a city that has it all. Beyond its cultural gems and historic charm, it is a playground for adventure enthusiasts. Imagine free-falling over the breathtaking Palm Jumeirah, conquering the desert dunes in a high speed, or skiing down snowy slopes, all in one destination. Here, every corner promises heart-pounding thrills. If you're flying from India, you can expect a short journey of about 3 to 5 hours. Direct flights are available from all major cities and you can find round-trip tickets ranging between 18,000 rupees to 30,000 rupees, depending on your travel dates. Once you arrive in Dubai, you'll be greeted by the ultra-modern Dubai International Airport, which is one of the busiest airports in the world. Dubai offers accommodation for every budget. You can find affordable options starting at around 2,000 rupees per night or go all out with a luxury hotel on Palm Jumeirah for 40,000 rupees or more. You can plan a comfortable 5 to 7 day trip for around 60,000 rupees to 80,000 rupees per person, including flights, accommodation, visa and tours. Indian travelers can easily get a visa to Dubai. The visa process is simple, and it's valid for up to 30 days. While Dubai is known for luxury, you can still travel on a budget. Set aside around 2,000 rupees to 4,000 rupees per day for food, transport, and sightseeing. Enjoy the vibrant street food or treat yourself to gourmet dining at some of the world's top restaurants. Dubai caters to every type of traveler. Couples can indulge in romantic dhow cruises along Dubai Marina. Families can enjoy the thrilling attractions at Dubai's numerous theme parks and malls. And solo travelers can explore the city's exciting nightlife and diverse cultural spots. A 5 to 7 day trip is perfect to capture the essence of Dubai and enjoy all it has to offer. The tallest building in the world. Book your tickets early for the at the top and experience the stunning panoramic views of Dubai's skyline and beyond. An architectural wonder and a hotspot for luxury. Stay at the Atlantis, the Palm, or take a relaxing yacht tour around the island. Escape the city and experience the magic of the Arabian desert. Enjoy thrilling activities like dune bashing, camel rides, and a traditional Bedouin dinner under the stars. Shop till you drop. Dubai Mall is home to over 1,200 stores and the incredible Dubai Aquarium. Don't miss the gold and spice souks for a more traditional shopping experience. Relax on Dubai's white sandy beaches and enjoy water sports like jet skiing, parasailing, or paddleboarding. Perfect for a lazy beach day with stunning views of the Burj Al Arab. So are you ready for the adventure of a lifetime? Dubai is waiting for you with open arms. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing travel tips and guides. See you on the next adventure.